In this FluencyLink tutorial video, you'll learn how to take better advantage of FluencyLink features by using multiple tabs or windows. This video was created using a PC running Windows 11 Pro and Chrome browser. Things might look slightly different on your system. From the library, you can right-click a book thumbnail on a PC or click a book thumbnail with two fingers on a Mac and select Open Link in New Tab. This makes it possible to open multiple books simultaneously and easily switch between them. Similarly, with any module on the sidebar, you may right-click to open it in a new tab. For example, you could browse the question bank or build an assessment while having the workbook open in another tab. You can also use split screen functionalities to view multiple windows simultaneously. Detailed instructions for doing this on Windows and Mac are linked in the description below. Next, we'll look at playing audio as an example. Currently, changing pages in a book while audio is playing will cause the audio to stop. To get around this, you can have two copies of the book open at the same time. You can open the book twice using the method shown previously, or you can right-click your current book tab and select Duplicate. Then play the audio in one tab while paging through the book in the other. Another option is to download the audio. Click the three dots next to any audio recording and select Download to do so. Then you may play that recording locally from your computer. Thanks for watching.